Is your Swann DVR showing no hard disk detected, HDD error, or disk not initialized? If your cameras have suddenly stopped recording, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, open your DVR menu and go to Storage or HDD Management. Check whether the hard drive is detected. If it shows an error or an uninitialized status, initialize or format the drive. Remember, formatting will erase all saved recordings. If your DVR doesn't detect the hard drive at all, turn it off, unplug it, and check that both the SATA data cable and the power cable are connected securely. Loose connections are one of the most common causes of hard drive issues. If everything is connected properly but the issue continues, connect the hard drive to a computer and check its health using a disk diagnostic tool. If bad sectors or hardware failure are detected, replace the drive with a surveillance-grade hard disk designed for continuous 24/7 recording. Also, make sure your DVR firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause hard drive detection problems. After updating, restart your DVR and check whether the storage status shows normal. In most cases, one of these solutions will fix your Swann DVR hard disk issue. If you're still having trouble, leave your Swann DVR model number in the exact error message in the comments, and I'll help you find the right solution.